Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Charlotte Ashman. Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything educational and inspirational. Now, in today's video, I will be helping students to prep for their ability test. And specifically, I'll be helping students with the quantitative reasoning aspect of the test. Now, guys, remember that your ability test exam is comprised of two main areas. You have verbal reasoning and you have quantitative reasoning. Now, your verbal reasoning is the English like as questions, and your quantitative reasoning is your mathematics type questions. Okay, so we're going to be focusing in this video on quantitative reasoning. So, guys, welcome back. I noticed we have 68 persons in the first couple of seconds. Awesome, guys. All right, so we're going to jump right into it because I do have to go after 15 minutes. So let's see how much work we can get done in 15 minutes. All right, guys, I'm just going to share my screen and we're going to just jump right in. All right, so and guys, just so you know, we're using the Learning Hub website. It's www.learninghub.online. That's my website. Guys, this is a really cool tool. Notice that on the Learning Hub, it says quantitative reasoning mix. It means that we have a mix of questions. I'm using a quiz actually. And our quiz, when we talk about quiz, we group questions into particular topics. Okay, so you can always come and do a quiz on analogy. You can do a quiz on classification. You can do a quiz on problem solving. This particular quiz, we use a mix of strategies. All right, so you're looking at a diagram, and it says the diagram below shows a kite A, B, C, D. Which of the following represents the greatest length? You have AB plus CD. So we have AB plus CD. You have BC, which is right here, plus A. We're missing something there. I am thinking that should be AB. And then you have CD right here, plus AC, which is right here. And then you have AB plus BC. Guys, you have AB plus BC. All right, guys, I'm missing something from the second one. So I'm just going to give you the answer. So if you look at this, AB and CD, which is this one, AB and CD, that could not be it because AB and CD, okay? Let's look at CD, this one right here, plus AC. So this is going to be taking the lead. So AB and CD, all right, that's the first one that is leading. Then we have CD, which is this one right here, plus AC. Now that is taking the lead. Now look at the third option, AB right here, plus BC right here. So far it would be CD, which is this one here, plus AC. That's the answer. All right. Let's look at this one. Diagram below shows a square PQRS. Which of the following represents the greatest length? PQRS. Okay, guys, I'm going to put that on screen and I want you guys to tell me which of the following represents the greatest length. Let me just make that a little bit bigger so you can see. All right, guys, you have a minute to look at that and tell me which one represents the greatest length. All right, guys, are you seeing my screen? Okay. So, what's the answer for question number two? Which of the following represents the greatest length? I want to see length. All right, guys. So, let's look at the options. It's QS plus PQ. Then we have QS plus PR. We have RS plus PS, and we have RS plus PR. Okay, I'm going to trace those lines and let's see what we get. So we have QS plus PQ. So this is QS, which is right here, plus PQ. All right, so it's right here and right here. All right, so that's leading. Then we have QS plus PR. So we have QS plus PR. Well, so they tie. All right. So we don't have a leader yet. Then we have RS, which is right here, plus PS. Ah, we have a leader now because RS right here, and this line is the longest. So yeah, we have a leader. Then we have RS, which is right here, plus PR right here. So the answer is RS plus PS. Let me see how many persons have C. Let me see. Let me see. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. See, I'm putting you up there. Yes, miss. C, C, C. Sorry, guys. So yeah, a lot of persons saying C, C, C. I don't see anybody saying anything else. All right. All right. Synchroman says, Miss, give us a super hard question. All right. Not a problem. Let's give you a hard question. So I'm not going to give you a greatest length. All right. Now, I'm going to give you this question here. It says, this is a graph showing the number of patty types made by a patty shop. Which of the statements is true? All right. Now, look at this graph, guys. Beef patties are the most popular. In total, the patty shop made 155 chicken and cheese patties. Shrimp patties were made the least. The patty shop made 104 shrimp patties. All right. Now, guys, let's see if you can get this. This is a graph showing the number of patty types made by a patty shop. Which of the statements is true? Beef patties are the most popular. In total, the patty shop made 155 chicken and cheese patties. Shrimp patties were made the least. The patty shop made 104 shrimp patties. Let's figure this one out. All right. I hope this is super hard for you. Okay, let me just see if I can make that a little bit bigger. So basically, I want you to look at this graph and interpret it. Okay, that's what you're doing. So is this correct? Beef patties are the most popular. In total, the patty shop made 155 chicken and cheese patties. Shrimp patties were made the least. The patty shop made 104 shrimp patties. What's the answer? I hope you guys can see. Somebody said B, but this is not hard. You guys are easy. B, but not hard. D, Miss B, not R. B, Miss Melissa is here. Miguel saying D. Georgia, D. Megan, D. Oh, Georgia is saying B. Samantha, B and D. All right, now you guys know that some of my questions will come with two answers. Let's see how this one works. All right, let's see. Beef patties are the most popular. All right, let's look at the graph. Let's look at the graph, guys. Now, chicken is on the 90, so the bar stops at 90, so they made 90 chicken patties. Beef, the graph stops on 80, so they made 80 beef patties. Cheese, it stops halfway between 60 and 70, so it's 65. How we get 65? This is 60 down here. This is 70 right here. So it's going up by 10. So halfway, it would be 5. So that's 65. Shrimp is about, like I say, for shrimp, that looks like 104 or 105. Okay? Okay. Now let's look at the answers. Says beef patties are the most popular. Now the most popular means that they would bake the most. No, so that's not true because as a matter of fact, chicken patties are baked more than beef, and shrimp are the bar for shrimp is higher than beef. So that's not true. So as a matter of fact, they made more shrimp patties than anything else. Then you have chicken would come next, then beef, and then cheese. In total, the patty shop made 155 chicken and cheese. So chicken is 90 and cheese is 65. Can somebody add that for me? What is 90 plus 65? 90 and 65. Okay, one of my geniuses. 90 plus 65, that's 155. So this is correct. Shrimp patties were made the least. That is not true. They were the most. And the patty shop made 104 shrimp patties. I would give that, right? 104 as well. Okay. All right. Now, when we just started, I said that question number 1, I want to just revisit that because we were missing something from question 1, and I just want to make sure. All right, let's go back to question 1. All right. Yeah, we were actually missing AC right here. Let's go back. So it was AB right here plus CD right here. And then we had BC right here plus AD right here. And then we had CD, which is right here, plus AC going across, and that's the correct answer. I don't necessarily want to show you guys the correct answer, so I'm going to come out of this and I'm going to just pull another question, pull another quiz. All right. Or even if I do this quiz, I don't want you guys seeing the answers. Okay, hold on. All right, let me pull another quiz. Now, once you take the quiz, the correct answers are going to show. Let me get something else for you guys. Give me a second. I'm going to pull something else for you. All right, even if I pull the same quiz, hold on. So guys, if you're on the Learning Hub website, you'll realize that you have so many quizzes that you can do. Hundreds, literally hundreds of questions on the ability test. All right, so I just cleared the page so you're not actually seeing the answers. Okay, guys. Right, so I wanted to just revisit question 1 because when we looked at question 1, initially we were missing a letter which we fixed while we were on our live. So yeah, I wanted to do that. All right, so our answer would have been CD, which is this one here, plus AC, which is this right here. That's the longest part. So CD plus AC. All right, so let's go down. We just did this. All right, let's look at this one, guys. Look at this one. I like this, interpreting this graph. So it says this is a graph showing the percentage of students in grades 1 to 6 in a school. Which of the statements is true? The percentage of students in grades 1 to 6, and here you have your nice little graph, and it says a quarter of the students are in grade 6. Let us see rather which statement is true. Let me see if I can make this bigger. And guys, I have to run in 5 minutes, but let's see what we can accomplish. All right. So a quarter of the students are in grade 6. Look at that graph, guys. Do you agree that a quarter of the students are in grade 6? See this area right here, this light blue? Yeah, this is a quarter. Grade 1 is showing a quarter too. And then all of this would make up a half of the graph, of the pie chart. See this, guys? Grade 6, quarter. Grade 1, a quarter. And all of this down here would make up a half. So it says a quarter of the students are in grade 6. That is correct. The least number of students are in grade 1. That is not true because a quarter of the school would be in grade 1. Half of the school is in grades 4, 5, and 6. So that's grade 4, 5, and 6. That's not true because when you look at 4, 5, and 6, it's a little bit less than a half because if you were to get a half, this line right here would have to come down, straight down. So it's a little bit less than a half. And a majority of the school is in grade 5, which is not true. So the answer is a quarter of the students are in grade 6. All right, let me see what you guys got for that. So you got A. All right, everybody got A. Very good. I wonder if persons are saying, give me harder, drill sergeant. Because you guys are telling me, give me harder, miss. All right. I don't know if this graph is going to hold on the screen, so I'm not going to use that. Maybe not this one too. All right, let me see if I can make this a little bit smaller and we can work this question. All right, interpreting this graph. Okay, so it says, this is a graph showing the bottles of soda and juice ordered by different places. Which of the statements is true? So look at this. You have Sally's store. Oh, first of all, guys, you need to look at the key. So blue is for soda and red is for juice. That's the first thing you need to look at. Look at the key. Blue for soda, red for juice. All right, now look at this, guys. It says, which of the statements is true? All right, so Amy's shop ordered, I'm making the graph big now, you know. So we're saying Amy's shop ordered the same number of bottles of soda and juice. Let's look at Amy's shop. Right away, we see that that's not true because Amy's shop ordered 530 juice, the red, see here, from here to here would be 530 because the line falls halfway between 520 and 540. All right, so this is 530. And Amy's shop ordered 610 sodas, right? So look at juice again, 530 juice and 610 sodas. So that answer is not right. The answer that says Amy shop ordered the same number of bottles of soda and juice, not right. The bottles of soda ordered by Kim's Bar are fewer than those ordered by Carl's shop. So look at soda for Kim's Bar. So Kim's Bar ordered the blue line, 610 sodas. And it says that those are fewer than those ordered by Carl's shop. Let's look at Carl's shop, the blue line again, and it's at 590, so that is not true. So Kim's Bar ordered more sodas than Carl's shop, so they're not fewer. All right, let's look at option 3. Carl's shop ordered the same number of bottles of juice as Kim's Bar. So Carl's shop ordered 590, juice. Sorry, so it says Carl's shop ordered the same number of bottles of juice as Kim Bar. So Carl's shop is right here, and they ordered 530 juice, and Kim's Bar ordered 560. So that is not true. Look at D. The quantity of soda ordered by Sally's store is the same as the quantity of juice ordered by Carl's shop. So we look at quantities of soda by Sally's store and the blue, which is 530. And it's the same. They're saying that is the same as the quantity of juice ordered by Carl's shop. Okay. So look at juice by Carl's shop. That is 530. So that looks correct. So soda ordered by Sally's store is the same as juice by Carl's shop. See here? If you look at the blue line right here, 530. And if you come right here, it stops at 530. All right, guys. So this is a good interpretation. All right, here's another one. This is a good one. There are two teams in a game of soccer, each having 11 players each. If each player shakes hands with every player from the other team, how many handshakes are there in total? Guys, you know what I wanted to do for question 9? I want you to take a picture of question 9 and I want everybody, all of you on this live, I want you to actually post this question and respond on Facebook. All right, this is where I'm going to end my live now because I have to run. I committed to 20 minutes of quantitative, and I want you guys to just post the answer to this question. I'm going to put it in the chat. I want you to respond. Well, we're at 22 minutes. I want you to respond on Facebook, and I want you to tell me how you work that question out. All right, guys, that's it for this evening. Tomorrow we come again. We do it all over again. 1 hour on Facebook Live and on YouTube. All right, so it's Pep Talk with Dr. Charlotte Ashman. That's my YouTube channel. And of course, the Facebook channel is Learning Hub JA or PEP. All right, guys, so tomorrow at 5 o'clock, meet me right here and we're going to do another hour. We did 1 hour today. That's how it is when you're having fun, guys. All right, so go to Facebook and post the answer for that question and post the workout. So tell me how you work it out, guys. That's what I want to see. All right, guys, see you tomorrow at 5 o'clock. And remember, on the weekend, we're going to have a mini marathon Sunday from 1 o'clock until 3 o'clock. We're going to just polish up. And I'm giving you next week off. You guys are ready for your exam. We're going to talk about, what you need to do in preparation for the exam. Okay, guys, we're going to talk about exam strategies because you're already prepared. So we're going to talk about, the day before the exam, the day of the exam, those kinds of things we're going to talk about next week. All right, guys, see you tomorrow. Have a great evening. Goodbye.